Hey, you guys like strawberries? I love strawberries, especially big, juicy strawberries. They're wonderful to eat by themselves, to dip in chocolate, cream cheese, sugar, all kinds of stuff. But today, we're going to do something a little different. We're going to make a cobbler. Have you ever had a strawberry cobbler? Oh my goodness. If not, then you really need to try it. I know peach cobbler and other berry cobblers are probably a little more popular than this, but hey, don't knock it till you try it. Okay. I have some strawberries that I have washed, and I'm capping right now, and I'm cutting into decent sized chunks. And if there's any type of a bad spot or anything on there, I'm cutting that out. So I've got a few more to do, and then we'll go on and get them in the pan and get our batter started. Okay, I have my strawberries cut up. Now folks, I will give you the ingredients and the amounts and everything in the description box. So I'm spraying just a standard baking dish, and I'm pouring my strawberries in there. Okay. And then over here, I have sugar, and I have cornstarch. Okay. We're going to mix these together so the cornstarch gets mixed up pretty good. Okay. We shouldn't have any lumps in that, so we're just going to pour it over top of the berries. Okay. And we're going to put a teaspoon of lemon juice. Thought I was going to have to ask the cameraman to open the lemon juice, guys. Okay. Now on to making the topping for that. We're going to sift our sugar and our flour. Try to have as few lumps as possible in the cobbler. Have you guys ever made a strawberry cobbler? If you have, let me know in the comments. Okay, there we go. We've got our vanilla. Milk. Let's get this mixed up. Are you guys super organized in the kitchen? Or are you a mess like I am? I'm all over the place, guys. I think I have it all together, and then reality hits and I realize I'm nowhere near ready. But regardless, the end result is always good. This will have the consistency of like a cake mix. Just keep mixing until you have the flour stirred in. Got that mixed up. We need to put some butter in here. This is going to melt and go through the cobbler, guys. You can do it this way, or you could actually melt it. Doesn't really matter. The end result is all the same. I said a teaspoon. Guys, I said a teaspoon of vanilla. I was wrong. I just glanced at my instructions and it was a tablespoon. So what did I do to fix it? I simply added 2 more teaspoons because, as you learned way back in school, 3 teaspoons equals a tablespoon. Fact for the day. Okay, let's stir this up again. We're going to pour it over top of our strawberries. Okay, we have the rest of the batter in there. So let's get this in the oven. It's time to take the strawberry cobbler out of the oven. So you can tell it's done, folks. It has baked and pulled away from the edges right here. It's brown and it's got a little bit of a firmness to it. So this needs to cool for at least 30-40 minutes, and then I'll show you what it looks like on the plate. Okay, our cobbler has cooled down, so let's cut a piece right here. Guys, this smells so good. I'm just going to turn it upside down. That way you guys can see all that filling in there. Them good strawberries. And guys, this is a big spoon. My husband tells me I have a big mouth, so here we go. Oh man. That one just might beat the blackberry cobbler. Y'all gotta try this. Holy cow. See you on that next video.